In this video, I'm gonna show you some winning products that I've found, and I'll break down exactly how you can find your own. Plus, I'll show you how to make sure these products are legit winners before you put your time and money into testing them. On my screen right now, you'll see a product I launched last month from October 2nd to October 7th using the exact same research and verification methods I'm about to show you. Before I even tested it, I knew it was a winner. On the first day, we made $651 in sales after spending just $200 in ads. This kind of result isn't unusual for a winning product. If you've tested products before and didn't see numbers like this, it's likely because the product wasn't a winner. But with this product, I knew it would perform because I verified it first. Fast forward to the next day, as you can see, we've hit $1,429 in sales with about $500 spent. One sale didn't track, but overall, the performance held up after day one. That's another sign of a winning product. By day 3, we pulled in $900. This pattern, profitable days 1, 2, and 3, is what you should expect from a real winning product. If you're not seeing this in your tests, you're likely not working with a true winner. And that's exactly what this video is all about. I'm gonna show you how I find and verify winning products before testing them. Like I mentioned, these kinds of results are typical for a winning product, and the profits will keep rolling in as I scale, whether it's 2K a day, 3K, 5K, 10K, or even more. Now that you've seen what a winning product's performance looks like, let's get into finding some winners and making sure that they're worth testing. Alright, to find our winning product, we're gonna use a tool called Facebook Ads Library. If you're not familiar with it, it's totally free. Facebook created it to let you see the ads currently running on their platform. We'll use it to check out what other dropshippers are advertising. First, select the United States and set the filter to all ads. Now, you'll want to enter some keywords related to the products you're searching for. For dropshipping, common phrases like shop now, 50% off, or free shipping often point to dropshipping ads. You can also search by niche. For example, the baby niche is popular because there's a steady stream of new customers. People are always having kids and looking for baby products. So let's type in baby and see what comes up. You'll notice a bunch of ads for baby products or services aimed at parents. The first thing I look at is the ad copy and the thumbnail. If the thumbnail shows a product, I'll check it out to see what they're selling. Also, I'm not just focusing on whether the product looks cool. A product can seem great, but that doesn't mean everyone will buy it. What I really want to know is, are people actually buying it? Is the advertiser running this ad for at least a week, 2 weeks, or even a month? But not too long, because that could signal the product is past its peak. This helps me figure out if it's worth selling or if I'd just be following someone else selling a failing product. And that's basically the process. Alright, aside from Facebook Ads Library, I also use a tool called FutureLib. And this tool is basically like Facebook Ads Library, but way better for dropshipping because it focuses specifically on dropshipping ads. Facebook Ads Library has a mix of everything, like ads for clinics, barber shops, all sorts of services that aren't related to dropshipping. FutureLib filters out all that, so it's super helpful. Now, once I find a winning product on FutureLib, which could be the same one that I find on Facebook Ads Library, the next thing I need to do is actually check if the stores selling that product are profitable and continuously making money. And that's where ShopHunter comes in. If you're not familiar with ShopHunter, it's a tool that estimates a store's revenue. You can find the link below if you want to check it out. All you need to do is copy the website's URL, paste it into ShopHunter, and hit Add Shop. It will give you an estimated daily revenue for that store. For example, it might show a range of 15K to 20K daily. But keep in mind, it's just an estimate. It could be more like 30K or even as low as 10K. The main thing I'm looking for is whether they're making money or not. With ShopHunter, it's super easy to see if a store is actually profitable, and with FutureLib, it's just as easy to find products without going through endless keyword searches, though it does have a keyword search feature if you need it. Think of it as a more focused version of Facebook Ads Library. Now, even if a store is doing well, like 10K a day, I won't always jump into that niche. If they're already dominating, it's only worth entering if I can create a much stronger, more compelling ad. So yeah, ShopHunter is a powerful tool for quickly finding out the store's revenue, which will be helping you decide if a product is worth testing based on its estimated sales. And by providing insights into which stores are profitable, it saves you time and money by filtering out products that aren't performing well. And that's it for this video. So you can either use Facebook Ads Library or paid tools like FutureLib and ShopHunter to make finding winning products easier. Just make sure to verify that the products are actually performing well before you go in. Alright, until next time, make sure you watch the video that should be up somewhere on your screen, because in that one, I tried dropshipping but with a $100 budget.